Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 2nd February 2024. ICAI issues requirement for applying for May and June 2024 exams. Candidates who are planning to appear in the May and June 2024 exams are advised to check their status at the self-service portal and be assured that they meet the eligibility criteria to be able to effortlessly fill the exam forms at the self-service portal. The common man awaits to hear in the budget if the government will ease tax rates impacting cash in hand. While the interim budget didn't change income tax slabs, it did address the headache of fiscal deficit, which impacts a country's wallet. Fiscal prudence was prioritized, and the government aims to narrow the budget gap. A higher fiscal deficit leads to higher government debt and higher interest payments. The government stuck to fiscal prudence despite elections, and reduced borrowing may lead to lower interest rates. The senior management of cash-strapped edtech firm Byju's told employees that the company has secured commitments to subscribe to more than 100% of its proposed $200 million rights issue of shares. In an email note to employees, the management blamed an artificially induced crisis by a select group of investors for a delay in paying the January salary. The salary will be paid in a phased manner starting Friday and will be completed by Monday, it said. Intel is delaying the construction timeline for its $20 billion chip-making project in Ohio amid market challenges and the slow rollout of US grant money. Its initial timeline had chip making starting next year. Construction on the manufacturing facilities now is not expected to be finished until late 2026, the report said, citing people involved in the project. Uncertain demand for its chips used in the traditional server and personal computer markets had led the company to forecast revenue for the first quarter below market estimates late last month. This came as a shift in spending to AI data servers dominated by rivals Nvidia and aspiring AI competitor Advanced Micro Devices sapped demand for traditional server chips, Intel Core data center offering. Many Paytm Money customers are understandably worried about their investments in the wake of the RBI's decision to suspend certain activities of Paytm Payments Bank owing to ongoing substantial supervisory concerns and continuous non-compliances which require additional supervisory action. To ease the customers' worries, Paytm Money, in a mail to its investors, said that the Paytm Payments Bank Limited does not have any impact on the operations of Paytm Money Limited and has no impact on investments with Paytm Money Limited in equity, mutual funds, or NPS. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.